just going to do a quick video on how to set up and link the two Studiolive consoles. First, we're going to go ahead and zoom in here on the LCD screen and show you that right now we've got it set so that the firewire link IDs are 0 and it's showing that they are unlinked, and that is on the one console. This is our display on the other console showing that it is unlinked as well. And we'll go around to the back now and show you the firewire cable and how those are linked together. At the back of our console, you can see we've just got it set up. We've got a left and a right output and the power cord plugged in. And what we're going to do is take our handy dandy firewire cable here and go ahead and plug this guy in. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the far right firewire on the first console. We're leaving the other one open so we can do computer recording out of that. And then we're going to go over to our other console here in the case and pick up the other end of our firewire and go right into the first open port on this console. And we just got a little click out of the consoles, out of the speakers, kind of reaffirming that we've got both of them connected. Now on our ID here, we're going to go ahead and dial that one up, and we just got another little click there, and it is showing it's unlinked. At our other console, and we're going to dial that one up so that it is number 2, and all of a sudden it says now number 2 and it says linked slave. And if we come back over on the board to our other one here, it is now saying that it is linked as the master. One of the things that you need to be aware of in linking these together is that on this side of the board here, which I've got this one on the right hand side, this one needs to be the higher of the two serial numbers that are on either I think the back or the bottom of the console. And then this one over here on the left hand side needs to be the lower serial numbers, so that in recording that this first console you see here, this will be channels 1 through 16, and then this other one over here is going to be channels 17 through 32 in the software once they get capture set up to do that. Unfortunately, we put ours together and forgot to pay attention to that, so we've got our console on this side set up so that that is our capture console for right now until they can get the software updated and fixed. But that's pretty much the linking of it, and we'll show you how that works here shortly. What we've done here on our console is up at the top here, just to demonstrate the linking that it ties together. We've just tied a couple of XLRs that tie into our iPod off the first two channels here, and have got the gains on them set about midway, as you can kind of see. And we're going to come down and then put those onto channels 1 and 2. As you can see, we've got them linked together so that they pan hard left and hard right, and you can see the link button on those as you can see the channel select. So we'll get in and show you just how that works. Okay, we've got it set up, and what we're going to do is we've got some music coming through the iPod right now, and we've got things coming in to our console here on the left hand side. And you can see we've got some input going on. I'm going to go ahead and hit the output metering, and you can see we don't have anything going on, so I'm going to go ahead and bring up the left and the rights on the output metering, showing you we've got signal going on the one console. And then I'm going to go ahead and kind of pan the camera over here to our other console, which is on the other side, and bring up the main. And now you can see we've got signal flow all the way through. And as we hit the button, the gain reductions in the outputs, the inputs, The aux levels all track, as well as the locate faders track across all 32 channels. And you can see we've got outputs on the main levels as well. So they've done a very good job with that, and we are very happy with it. And that's about as simple as it gets to tie these two guys together.